sabrosa. Okay, we're gonna make some fried plantains. This is a little walnut oil that has been heating up on the stove. Now I know that to some of you that might look rotten, but that's exactly the way it's supposed to look. Do not cut into it until it looks like this, or you will be very disappointed in the taste of your plantain. It won't be ripe. This is ripe. I don't know if it has to be in the sun, but just leave it out for wait. I lived in Miami, so I ate a lot of Cuban food. I was told by my Cuban friends in Miami that they have to be black. These feel mushy, and that's the way they're supposed to feel. They feel like Jell-O, but they won't completely fall apart. This is exactly how you want them. Coming along nicely. More to go, but browning up sweetly. You don't have to put a lot of oil. Don't panic, that's the right color. You want them blackened. Absolutely. Serve these on a plate with black beans and rice or any Cuban dish. You can put cinnamon on them, you can put syrup. No sauce necessary. I like maybe a little sugar on top of them. They're not as sweet as bananas. They're like a cross between a potato and a banana, some say. But like bananas, they're very healthy and tasty. They have a lot of magnesium and potassium, actually more than bananas. They're called a hidden superfood. Delicious seasoned recipe, black beans. Salsa would be good on it. Beautiful, black beans and rice, Cuban style. Okay, so we got black beans and rice with green onions and red onions and plantains with sugar and a little salsa. My vegan adventure is delicious.